Hello, and thank you for attending another Ekahau video by Advanced Network Devices. This is Mike Kazemian. Today we will be discussing what makes Ekahau Connect Solution a unique platform for Wi-Fi design optimization, troubleshooting, reporting. The first thing that we need to recognize about Ekahau Connect Solution is that it is a perpetual license. That means that it is owned by the user which purchases the Ekahau AI Pro and Connect solution. The next thing that we need to realize is that it is a device independent and operating system independent platform. It can work on a workstation or a laptop. It can be Mac or Windows platform. It can operate on the cloud as well, and it can also operate on a mobile platform, either Android or iOS. It can be either a mobile or a tablet. Depending on the platform that is being used, specific functions can be utilized within Ekahau. If the user is using the PC platform, which is Mac or Windows, they can conduct surveys, which can be either continuous or stop and go. They can also perform design tasks for a wireless network. They can do analysis as well as troubleshooting, and finally can perform reporting tasks. Should the user decide to use the cloud platform, they can perform design tasks. They can also perform optimization tasks as well as analysis and what we call zero-touch provisioning a wireless network. That means any changes can be made with well-known access point platforms and solution providers. And the lists are very specific but can be done without intervention of a human being. And finally, we can conduct reporting on the cloud platform. Should the user decide to use the mobile platform, they can perform survey tasks. They can also perform troubleshooting tasks, and they can also perform the packet capture tasks that can be decoded with a packet decoder. Now, on the survey side, in comparison to the workstation, not only we can perform the stop and go and continuous surveys, but also can utilize the front and the back camera, the accelerometer, and the gyro of the mobile device and conduct what we call autopilot surveys. That makes the speed and accuracy of a survey increase in comparison to doing continuous or stop and go surveys. Furthermore, if the user is using the iPhone or iPad Pro version, which is equipped with the LiDAR sensor, then they can also do what we call just go survey, and there will be no floor plans required. This is quite important to recognize because most of the floor plans that are given to a user are not always the same as what they will face when they are conducting the actual survey. So the LiDAR sensor and just go survey allows the software platform to recognize walls, windows, and doors and draw the floor plan as the same time that the survey is being conducted. Finally, if the device is equipped with a SIM card, we can also do the GPS assisted surveys using a mobile device. So we can see that the flexibility on conducting surveys with mobile devices due to the sensors and devices that are built into the mobile device can increase the depth and breadth of the type of surveys that can be conducted. Another important key differentiator between Ekahau AI Pro and other solutions is that it allows storage of a project file on local platforms as well as on the cloud. You can store the project files and retrieve floor plans from a PC or from the cloud, from a mobile device, and we can store the results into the hardware that is accompanied when conducting surveys, either with the mobile device, which is mandatory, and the PCs or laptops, which is not mandatory but recommended. So we have multiple places to retrieve floor plans as well as store data. That makes it very unique amongst all other solution providers. This is due to the fact that some entities do mandate not placing floor plans or project results onto the cloud, so that gives the flexibility to the user to store the information locally on the devices that they have. Just to give an overview of what we can do with each of the platforms is basically put together here and collated together. On the workstation or laptop, we can conduct survey, design, analysis, troubleshooting. On the cloud, we can do surveys, of course, through the mobile device. We can perform design tasks, analysis, optimization, and zero-touch provisioning. On a mobile device, we can perform survey tasks and troubleshooting. And all these platforms talk with each other. So if a survey is conducted on the mobile device, the same project file can be seen on the cloud as well as on a workstation. And this goes for any project files that are available. Besides some of the designs that we can do on the cloud, they might not be able to be seen on the workstation due to the complexity of the 3D designs that they perform. However, any survey project file can be viewed anywhere, as well as the packet capture decode. As you can see, every element of the Ekahau Connect ecosystem can be utilized for design, furthermore validation, and then optimization, troubleshooting, and redesign as required due to the fact that standards change, users change, user devices change, and applications change. Last but not least, the Sidekick 2, which is recommended to use on a PC platform or a laptop, and is required when conducting surveys with a mobile device and for packet capture, is a unique device that is independent, and it is 100% optimized to do the Wi-Fi survey tasks and packet capture task, as well as spectrum analysis tasks altogether. So what constitutes of this Sidekick 2 is 4 enterprise-grade wireless radios. There is 9 custom wideband omnidirectional antennas built into Sidekick, so orientation of the device for us is irrelevant. It has a built-in spectrum analyzer that does 50 sweeps per second of the 3 bands, and this is needed as there might be non-Wi-Fi devices that affect and reside on the Wi-Fi band, which have to be detected, localized, identified, and eliminated. It has built-in 8-hour battery that can be used during survey tasks, thus not draining the device's battery power, such as accompanying devices such as a mobile device or the laptop. It has an active cooling system, and it uses the USB-C connectivity mechanism to connect from the Sidekick to the device that is being used to do the visualization. This concludes our short presentation of why Ekahau Connect system is quite unique amongst all other solutions available globally. Thank you for attending this Ekahau video. We look forward to see you in future videos. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.